topic is about articles. Let's see a quick recap of what we have learned till now. In English, there are five vowels, namely A, E, I, O, and U. I'll repeat. In English, there are five vowels, namely A, E, I, O, and U. The other letters are called consonants. With the above in mind, we will now learn about articles. So today's topic is about articles. Articles using a, an and the. What are they? A, an and the or special words called articles. Each are used in a specific situation. I'll repeat. A, an and the are special words called articles. Each are used in a specific situation. Now let's see in detail how to use a, an and the. The first letter is a. When you use a, it is used with singular nouns. Comes before words which comes with a consonant. I'll repeat. Used with singular nouns comes before words which comes with a consonant. For example, a book, a car, a lemon, a dog, a frog, a truck. Okay, I'll repeat again. A book, a car, a lemon, a dog, a frog, a trunk. The is always used with singular nouns and it always comes before words with a consonant. Second letter is an, which will be used with a singular noun, comes before words which begins with vowels. This also comes with a singular noun and comes before the word which begins with vowels like A, E, I, O and U. I'll repeat, comes before word which begins with vowels A, E, I, O and U. For example, an apple, an ox, an umbrella, an egg, an ice cream. Third letter is the, which is used with singular and plural nouns. I'll repeat, it is used with singular and plural nouns. It is often used to identify a particular person, place or thing. I'll repeat, it is often used to identify a particular person, place or thing. For example, the red car, the green book, the brown dog. I'll repeat, a is used with singular nouns, comes before words which comes with a consonant. Second one, an, which is used with a singular noun, comes before word which begins with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Third one, the, used with singular and plural nouns, often used to identify a particular person, place or thing. Let's do the filling the blanks using the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay, children, we'll use this five vowels to make a meaningful word. I'll read the sentence and we will find out the answer. The first one is, we love to read this. What we love to read? Yes, it is book. What is the spelling for book? B-O-O-K, book. Yes, it is correct. I'll repeat, B-O-O-K, book. So what are the vowels used here? O, that is correct. The second one, we sit on this. We sit on this. So what is the answer here? Chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. I'll repeat, C-H-A-I-R, chair. So what are the vowels used here? A and I. What are the vowels used here? A and I. Third one, we eat this. What we eat? Yes, it is food. We eat this. What we eat? Food. So what is the spelling for food? F-O-O-D, food. F-O-O-D, food. So what is the vowel used here? O. That's correct. Fourth one, We laugh at his jokes. We laugh at his jokes. Who is that? Yes, it is Joker. 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 I'll repeat. Joker. Joker. So what are the vowels used here? O and E. Fifth one, this protect us from rain. When we go out, what we use during rainy season? Yes, it is umbrella. 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 I'll repeat. Umbrella. Umbrella. So what are the vowels used here? U, E and A. Sixth one, we use this to clean our teeth. I'll repeat. We use this to clean our teeth. Early in the morning when you get up, what is the first thing we do? We brush our teeth. How do we brush our teeth? With the toothbrush. So what is the spelling for toothbrush? Toothbrush. Toothbrush. I'll repeat. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Seventh one, we live here. Where do we live? Yes, we live in the house. 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 So what are the vowels used here? O, U and E. What is the spelling for house? House. House. Eighth one, we use this to join things. I'll repeat. We use this to join things. What we use to join things? Yes, it is glue. 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 So what are the vowels used? U and E. I'll repeat. The first one, we love to read this as book. Second one, we sit on this chair. Third one, we eat this food. Fourth one, we laugh at this joker. Fifth one, this protect us from rain, umbrella. Sixth one, we use this to clean our teeth, toothbrush. Seventh one, we live here is a house. Eighth one, we use this to join things together. It is glue. Shall we do the filling the blanks using a or an? Okay, children? First one, I have bought dash new book. I'll repeat. I have bought a dash new book. What will come here? A new book. I have bought a new book. Second one, my mother gave me dash apple for breakfast. Before and vowel, what will come, children? Yes, an. So, my mother gave me an apple for breakfast. Very good. Third one, this is dash old car. This is dash old car. When it is an vowel, A-E-I-O-U, what will come? Yes, an. So, this is an old car. Fourth one, let us sing dash song. I'll repeat, let us sing dash song. Yes, a song. So, let us sing a song. Fifth one, my sister is dash English teacher. I'll repeat, my sister is dash English teacher. Yes, my sister is an English teacher. Sixth one, Neha has dash bad headache. Yes, it is a. Neha has a bad headache. Seventh one, I have dash umbrella. So what will come before the vowel? An. So I have an umbrella. Eighth one, give me dash soap to wash my hands. Yes, give me a soap to wash my hands. I'll stop the video for a minute. Just go through this assignment and please complete it in your notebook. Whichever notebook you are following it, do this assignment as a homework, children, till we get back in the next section. Thank you, children. Stay safe. All these worksheets are there after your Reena and Rishi lesson. Please go through the worksheet and do the worksheet and get back to me in the next section. Be safe. Bye bye, children.